Nood is a New Zealand-based furniture brand that focuses on modular, customizable sofas. Their popularity is growing, so let's break down the good and the not-so-good aspects of their sofas. Pros. Customization. The key strength of Nood sofas lies in their modular design. You can choose from various configurations, arm styles, fabrics, and colors to build a sofa that perfectly suits your space and style. Comfort. Nood sofas are known for their plush, comfortable cushions. They use a combination of foam and feathers to strike a balance between support and a sink-in feeling. Durability. The frames are constructed from solid wood, and the fabrics are chosen for resilience. Customer reviews suggest Nood sofas can withstand regular family use. Easy assembly. Nood sofas are designed for easy DIY assembly, saving on delivery and setup costs. Cons. Price. Nood sofas can be on the expensive side, especially when you start customizing the size and fabric options. Shipping. Shipping costs, particularly international shipping, can be significant. Limited fabric choices. While there are several fabrics to choose from, Nood's selection isn't as expansive as some larger furniture brands. Potential feather migration. Feather-filled cushions, while comfortable, can sometimes have feathers that work their way out of the fabric. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.